Tianjin Golden Huge Line Company Limited is located in Tianjin, China. We are committed to developing a global high-tech products for the professional cleaner company, providing various paper filter, rotary filter, and PU glue filter, other types of products, more than 5,000 kinds of specifications. Our company's air filter, oil filter, and fuel filter are widely used in truck, diesel generator sets, compressors, construction machinery, forklifts, and various types of imported and domestic car and heavy vehicles. We use advanced technology and quality management systems to guarantee the quality of products. According to Quality System International Standards, we formulated perfect quality inspection standards and established a scientific and strict quality guarantee system. Our products mainly sell to North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Eastern Asia, Africa, and Middle East area. With quality, reasonable price, on-time delivery, and customized and personalized services to help customers achieve their goals successfully. Our business purpose: enhance corporate culture, management style show me, improve the management, extend the brand connotation, a sound marketing system, security and sustainable development, philosophy, customer-oriented, marketing for the center, brand management as the mode of operation, business location, product-centric, diversified product unlicensed, the creation of a core brand image. Buyers are welcome to contact us.